Please mute yourself, everyone. Okay, Karthik, mute yourself. Yes. Okay. So, page number 6, A portion. Okay, that is first one. Arav gave his friend a painting for his birthday. Okay, so here it is said, circle the direct objects and underline the indirect objects in these sentences. Okay, so in first sentence, the direct object is a painting, and the indirect object is the friend, his friend. Okay, we have to underline the indirect object and circle the direct object. So first one में example दिया है, Arav gave his friend a painting for his birthday. Here his friend is indirect object and a painting is direct object. Okay, just underline. Okay, first one is given. Okay, second one. Okay, Leela sent her father an e-card. Which is the direct object here? Her father. E-card will be the direct object and her father is the indirect object. Okay. The thing which we are giving is the direct object and the person whom we are giving or the person who is giving is indirect. Okay.
Ma'am, which
yes.
indirect object करना है?
This is page number 6. Page number 6, A portion. Circle the direct objects and underline the indirect objects in these sentences. Okay, there are some sentences given. Direct ones.
Ma'am, e-card is direct.
Yes. On the second question, e-card is the direct object. Okay, we are e-card.
And indirect. And what is indirect?
Indirect object.
Her father.
Her father. So you have to underline her father and you have to circle e-card.
Yes.
Okay, circle e-card and underline her father.
Yes, ma'am. Our teacher gave the class a few tips before. What is it?
Now, third question. The teacher gave the class a few tips before the exam. Here, the class is the indirect object. Underline the class. And a few tips is direct object. Few tips is the direct object. Circle that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then fourth one. Aunt Reema brought us all. Yes.
Ma'am.
I can't hear you. सब एक साथ Okay, I will repeat from first question.
कॉपी में करना है?
No, just underline कर
पेज नंबर. मैम ये ए वाला कॉपी में करना है?
No, just do it in your book. If it was supposed to be written in copy, then I'll tell you. अगर आपको कॉपी में लिखना होगा तो मैं बोलूंगी. Okay? अभी आप बुक में लिखो.
थर्ड का क्या है आंसर?
Third one.
First.
Okay, I will repeat from first. Okay, just mute yourself.
Worried about.
Mute yourselves. I will repeat the answers. Okay? I will repeat. I can hear multiple sounds and I'm distracted. I'm getting distracted. So please mute yourself. Okay, I'm going to repeat.
Page number.
It's page number 6. Now page number. Okay, we are going to A portion. Circle the direct object and underline the indirect object in these sentences. You have to circle. Yeah, I'm repeating from the first here. I'm repeating the questions. Okay, listen carefully. So we have to circle the direct objects and we have to underline the indirect ones. Okay. Direct objects will be like painting, e-card, okay, the things. And the persons will be the indirect objects. So on first there is an example given. The first one, Arav gave his friend a painting for his birthday. So his friend is an indirect object here. And a painting is direct object. Second question. Father an e-card. Okay, Leela sent her father an e-card. Here, her father is an indirect object. Underline her father. And circle e-card. Okay. Then third one. The teacher gave the class a few tips before the exam. The class, underline that. Underline the class and circle a few tips. Okay. Circle a few tips. Now fourth one. Aunt Rima brought us all some sweets at the mall. So here, underline us all. Us all. Underline that. Some sweets, circle that.
मैम किसे अंडरलाइन करना है?
Us all. Us all को underline करना है. And some sweets circle करना है. Page number 6. Okay, from next class, try to join on time because everyone keeps on joining by their wish, and then they used to ask what is the page number. Okay, so अगली बार से please try to join on time. Okay, 1 o'clock is 1 o'clock. उससे ज़्यादा लेट नहीं होना चाहिए.
मैम question answers here.
Yes.
मैम question answers.
Which question answer, dear?
मैम वो आपने ये वाले क्वेश्चन आंसर तो समझ में आ गए थे, लेकिन मैम फिर आपने वो पावर पॉइंट में वो डाला था, वो क्या है?
Did I send you a PowerPoint? मैंने Moodle में डाला है. कौन सा वाला डाला है? इसी चैप्टर का डाला है ना?
हाँ मैम वो पावर पॉइंट में आपने कुछ कलर्स में कुछ डाला है, वो क्या है मैम? मैंने आपको मैसेज करा था तो मैम आपने कहा था कि आप इस क्लास में डिस्कस करोगे वो आंसर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के.
Yes, we will discuss. एक काम करते हैं, मैं इन क्वेश्चंस का एक पावर पॉइंट, एक पीपीटी बना के मूडल पे डालूंगी. आप वहां से आंसर्स नोटबुक में कॉपी करना.
मैंने कर लिया.
मैंने
भी कर लिया.
Okay. Those who have done well and good. अच्छी बात है. जिन्होंने नहीं किया है उनके लिए मैं मूडल पे डाल दूंगी. Okay, don't worry. अभी हम पेज नंबर 6 कर रहे हैं. अभी ये करो. ये बुक में करने वाली चीज है. बाकी क्वेश्चंस आपको नोटबुक में करने हैं.
ओके मैम. अंडरलाइन करना है क्वेश्चन में.
What?
मैम.
Yes. I can hear. Who is asking question?
मैम ये सर्कल अंडरलाइन वाले में 5 और 6 में काफी है.
I can't hear.
मैम प्लीज कार्तिक को बोलो ना अपना माइक म्यूट कर ले.
कार्तिक mute your mic. Yes. अब बोलो.
मैम 5th में अंडरलाइन और सर्कल किस पे है?
5th वाले में.
यस मैम.
बेटा हम अभी तक 5th तक पहुंचे ही नहीं. आपने 4th कर लिया?
हाँ. यस मैम.
4th में us all को अंडरलाइन करना है और some sweets को सर्कल करना है.
मैम आप 5th वाला कराओ.
अब 5th वाले हम करेंगे. 5th में आ जाओ. We served the guests cold drinks and snacks. इधर गेस्ट को, द गेस्ट को अंडरलाइन करना है. अंडरलाइन द गेस्ट.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
यस
मैम आई एम नॉट कम दिस. तो मैम 2nd और 4th 5th में मैम क्या करना है? नहीं मैम, मैं अरे समीक्षा मैं तेरे को भेज दूंगी, अभी मैम को कंटिन्यू करने दे। ठीक है।
यस, प्लीज शेयर, है ना? प्लीज शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, जो भी डाउट्स है प्लीज आस्क
यस
योर
मैम।
फ्रेंड्स।
फिफ्थ पे किसे सर्कल करना है?
व्हाट हैपेंड कार्तिक?
मैम फिफ्थ में किसको सर्कल करना है?
फिफ्थ में you have to underline the
Cold
guest
drinks.
and circle cold
Yes.
drinks and snacks.
कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स है इसमें।
Yes, circle cold drinks and snacks and underline the guests.
Yes, complete.
Then sixth one, will you give your mother a message from me? So here you have to underline your mother, and circle a message. Circle a message.
Complete.
Completed?
Complete, madam.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Now come to B portion. B, reorder these words to make complete sentences. Then mark the direct objects and indirect objects. Okay? So you have to reorder these words. So first question में there is an example. Told story a he me. So you have to reorder this. Reorder मतलब आपको इसको एक proper sentence बनाना है. अभी told story a he me ये कोई sentence थोड़ी हुआ. You have to make it a sentence. उनको reorder करना है, rearrange करना है. Okay, so what will be the final answer for the first one? He told me a story. Green line दिख रही है?
Told me.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly आपको 2 में भी करना है. तो अभी आप पूरा सेंटेंस मत बनाओ, आप लोग उन वर्ड्स के ऊपर नंबरिंग डाल दो. पहले कौन सा वर्ड आएगा 1 2 3 4 डाल देना. मैं बता रही हूँ. कार्तिक, yes.
And Zainab, I cannot mute.
Okay, Zainab also please mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. When you have doubt, then just unmute and ask. Okay. Okay. The second question is, team coach gave extra the practice. So here I'll tell you. Just a minute. Okay. थर्ड वाला लेटर, थर्ड वाला वर्ड द, उसके ऊपर 1.
Yes.
ओके, उसके ऊपर I'll tell you.
लेटर डालना है.
Please mute yourself. I'll tell the answer. Okay, you just listen carefully. The, okay, just put 1 over the. Okay, then the team coach. Okay, put 2 over team and 3 over coach.
मैम क्या?
ओके, एक काम करते हैं, इसको भी मैं मूडल पे अपलोड कर दूंगी. ओके, आप अभी मत करो, ये बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाएगा. ओके, आई विल अपलोड इट ऑन मूडल.
ओके मैम.
ओके, कम टू पेज नंबर 7.
ओके मैम.
Yes, come to page number 7.
That.
Below that lines, look at the highlighted words in these dialogues. Refer to the table and write a response for the first sentence using the stronger word for each word. Okay, now first there is an example given. Was the task simple? It was child's play. Okay, so ऊपर जो दिए हुए वर्ड्स है उनसे हमें सेंटेंस बनाना है. ईच वर्ड के लिए एक और वर्ड ढूंढना है. ओके, सो सेकंड में क्या आएगा? दे वेर सैड. यस, दे वेर मिसरेबल. ओके, यहाँ पे आपके बी साइड में ए पॉइंट मिसरेबल दिया है, तो आपको लिखना है दे वेर मिसरेबल.
मिसरेबल.
दे वेर मिसरेबल.
मैम मिसरेबल मैच कैसे करना है? मैम
मैच नहीं करना, उसके नीचे जो अंडरलाइन दे रखा है
देख के बाद वर आएगा. यस, दे वर
Yes, yes, they were miserable. M-I-S-E-R-A-B-L. M-I-S-E-R-A-B-L-E. Miserable. Okay? फिर थर्ड पे आ जाओ. Was he very angry? In truth, he was furious. Right? He was furious. He was furious. F-U-R-I-O-U-S.
Ma'am, what
F-U-R-I-O-U-S. On top it's given, the spelling is given in that line wala table, that A and B. So B side में last में दिया है furious. Okay. So he was furious. Then come to fourth. That looks like a large building. Large question mark. That looks like a massive building. Okay. What is matching to large? That looks like a massive building. Okay. Massive also is.
What is fourth answer? Yes, ma'am. A-S-S-I-V-E. Ma'am, what is fourth answer?
Yes, I am repeating. Listen carefully. That looks like a massive building. That looks like a massive building. M-A-S-S-I-V-E. M-A-S. Yes.
लार्ज के बाद डायरेक्ट मैसिव लिखना है.
बेटा फोर्थ क्वेश्चन के आगे एक लाइन दिख रहा है.
यस मैम.
उधर आपको लिखना है that looks like a massive building. आप स्मॉल लेटर में लिखो, थोड़ी छोटी हैंडराइटिंग में लिखो ताकि that looks like a massive building. Just a minute. Yes, that looks like a massive building. Okay. वो आपको फोर्थ में लिखना है. Then फिफ्थ पे आ जाओ. They have faced great misfortune. तो उसके आगे आपको लिखना है they have faced great tragedy. Misfortune का दूसरा वर्ड क्या है? Tragedy. तो आपको लिखना है they have faced great tragedy. T-R-A-G-E-D-Y. They have faced great tragedy.
मैम गैजेट इज the following में लिखी हुई है.
हाँ, yes, it's given in your book. On top side it's given, on the right side B. B में second वाला tragedy. T-R-A-G-E-D-Y. T-R-A-G-E-D-Y. Now, sixth one. Was the damage caused by the flood bad? Was the damage caused by the flood severe? Bad की जगह क्या आएगा? Severe. S-E-V-E-R-E. ओके, पूरा सेंटेंस वैसा का वैसा आएगा, बस बैड की जगह पे सीवियर आएगा. S-E-V-E-R-E. ओके.
मैम.
यस.
मैम ये सिक्स में यहाँ से लिखना है क्या? वाज द डैमेज कॉज्ड बाय द फ्लोर सीवियर, या फिर डायरेक्ट ही लिखना है सिंपल?
क्या लिखना है?
मैम कंप्लीट है. आपने कॉपी में करना है, पूरा सेंटेंस लिख पाया है तो जैसा नहीं लिखना, डायरेक्ट बस सीवियर ही लिखना है.
ओके, आप हम वहाँ पे बैड की जगह सिर्फ सीवियर भी लिख सकते हो, पर आप एग्जाम में लिखोगे तो पूरा सेंटेंस लिखना.
ओके ओके मैम.
कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है, ये कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है, ये बुक में करना है. आपको पेज नंबर 5 वाले क्वेश्चंस कॉपी में लिखने हैं. जो पूरा आंसर, जो पूरा सेंटेंस बनेगा. ओके.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके. Then come to, okay, ये वाले पेज नंबर 5 के क्वेश्चंस. I'll prepare a PPT on them and then I'll upload it on Moodle. Okay, वहां से आप देख के उतार सकते हो ना, no issues. It's very easy, आपको सिर्फ देख के लिखना है वहां से.
No, ma'am. Okay, no ma'am. Issues.
Okay, I'll upload the answers on Moodle. Okay, रात तक या कल सुबह तक मैं अपलोड कर दूंगी, फिर आप देखना.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then come to page number 9. Okay, we have 10 minutes more. We will read this poem. Okay, we'll read this poem. So the poem name is Books. Okay, the poem name is Books. It's written by Eleanor Fergion. Okay, Eleanor Fergion is the writer. Okay, he's a man. So here, what is Eleanor Fergion trying to say? He is bringing out the importance of books in a man's life. Okay, एक man की life में what is the importance of books? Like you all have books to study, right? You all gain knowledge from books. Okay, you get different ideas from books, right? So similarly, this chapter, this poem is about bringing out.
स्नैप कर भी दूँ उसमें मैं
This
स्नैप
mic
पे
is on.
वो भी करूँ पर मेरे को मेन स्नैप फोटो लेने के लिए चाहिए.
Yatharth, please mute yourself. Yes. So this chapter brings out the importance of books in a man's life, right? What is the importance of books in a man's life? Man and woman, everything. Okay. So let us read this poem. What worlds of wonder are our books as one opens them and looks. New ideas and people rise in our fancies and our eyes. Okay, that means the first sentence, what it says. What worlds of wonder are our books? That means worlds of wonder means that we could never forget. That is something remarkable, right? Something which we can't forget. Okay, world of wonder are our books. We cannot forget our books, right? We have to study every time. है ना? Books are with us every time. During exams also we need books. Okay, for to get different ideas also we need books. So these books are a world of wonders. A world of wonders means they are remarkable or we cannot forget them, never forgettable. So you can underline words of wonder and you can write the meaning there. Put an arrow and write remarkable. Okay, remarkable. R-E-M-A.
Where? Which one, ma'am?
The first stanza, first line, worlds of wonder. Underline worlds of wonder. Then put an arrow and write the meaning. Worlds of wonder means remarkable.
R-E-M-A-R-K-A-B-L-E.
Yes, remarkable. Okay, remarkable.
Ma'am, wrote.
What happened?
R-E-M-A-R-K-A-B-L-E. हाँ हो गया.
Yes, correct, correct.
What?
R-E-M-A-R-K-A-B-L-E. Who was asking question? Yes. Okay. The second line. As one opens them and looks, new ideas and people rise in our fancies and our eyes. Okay. That means if someone, okay, let us consider ourselves. When we open books, what does books actually signify? They gives us new ideas. They gives us knowledge. Okay. सॉरी, क्या हुआ? व्हाट हैपेंड?
मैम प्रिया बोल रही है कि हिंदी में बताओ।
In Hindi. So listen. We are not supposed to talk in Hindi in between, and because since it is an English class, so we are supposed to learn in English. And principal has strictly asked. Yes, principal has strictly asked to teach in English. Why? Because ताकि आपकी English अच्छी हो. Okay. So to improve your English, we are teaching in English. Otherwise, we don't have any problem with Hindi, but to teach you and to improve your English, right? तो आपको जहां पे समझ में नहीं आएगा वहां मैं हिंदी में समझा दूंगी, बाकी मैं इंग्लिश में बोलूंगी. Is that okay?
मैम
Okay. I'm using very simple language, right? है ना? Very simple तरीके से मैं, मेरा इंग्लिश इतना हार्ड भी नहीं है, बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में यूज कर रही हूँ. As one opens them and looks, new ideas and people rise. Okay, what we do when we open our books, what we can see? New ideas and people's imagination. Okay, we get new ideas, we get knowledge. Okay, in our fancies and our eyes. Fancies का मीनिंग क्या है? आपके बुक के पीछे दिया है टॉप साइड में. फैंसीज मींस इमेजिनेशन. ओके, पेज नंबर 10 में सबसे ऊपर इट्स गिवन फैंसीज मीनिंग इमेजिनेशन. So in our imagination and our eyes, okay, we can get new ideas in our imagination and our eyes through what? Through books. Okay, so the room we sit in melts away. Okay, the room in which we are sitting and we are reading the book melts away. Melts away means disappears. Okay, melts away means disappears. And we find ourselves at play. What is said here? We find ourselves at play. The room we sit melts away. Okay, when we are reading book, the room we sit just disappears and we find ourselves at a play moment, at a playing moment. Right? Books are so interesting that when we read, sorry,
And disappear it means
disappears means गायब हो जाना. Okay, से ना गायब हो गया, disappear हो गया. So the room we sit get disappeared and we find ourselves at play, meaning that we find ourselves in a playing moment, in a happy moment. Okay, searching for new ideas with someone who before the end means soon. Okay, before the end means soon, jald se. Okay, with someone who soon may become our chosen friend. Okay, that means the room we sit in disappears and we find ourselves at a playing moment. Okay, with someone who will soon become our close friend, a chosen friend, or is going to become our friend. This is not in real, but we are imagining this. Okay, we are imagining new ideas, we are imagining new people. Okay, so that is what is said here. With someone who soon may become our chosen friend or is going to become our chosen friend. Okay, so today for today we'll stop here. Okay, we have done 2 stanzas. The other 2 stanzas we will do during the next class. Okay, whenever is your next class, we'll do this. That day. Okay, so
okay ma'am, bye.
ma'am, bye ma'am.
Send
Everyone,
the Moodle question answers and exercise.
I'll upload the answers on Moodle. For first chapter, I'll upload it on Moodle.
Is also
What happened?
one B question is also sent in.
I will upload the questions on page number 5. Okay, that is A and B. A and B. I will upload
Ma'am,
those.
this page number 6 question.
Page
And
number
one exercise also.
Yes, I'll upload both. I'll upload both. Yes, definitely I'll upload both. Okay, you just have to copy that from there. Okay? No doubt?
Okay, ma'am.
Is there any-
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am, thank you.
Okay, bye.
है।